journey, I have developed strong interest in coding and problem solving. Currently, I am focusing on learning Python to strengthen my skill and also explore areas like data analysis. I am quick learner and always eager to learn new things. And now I am looking forward to learn to applying my skills in professional as well as practical environment. Thank you, sir.
Yes, good to know about you. Harshita, right? Your
Yes, sir.
name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Harshita will begin with few basics question to start off with. So before you move on, what year did you pass out from your engineering college?
Century College of Engineering,
When did you complete your engineering?
2025. This year.
This year only.
This year.
Okay. So Harshita, can you tell me about what is Python? Why is it popular in data science, or where all Python is used, and what are its?
Python is a high-level programming language. In this programming language, we can easy to code and easy to run. This is the interpreting language. Debugging is very easy, so we use Python. And Python is used in data science. Data science GUI means graphic user interface, like this.
Okay. So you were telling me about this is interpreted language.
Yes.
Do you know what it means by interpreted, and what are other types by which the languages are used to code?
Interpreted means line by line execution will be done.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know about types in Python? Types or data types? I'm asking
Yes,
about.
yes, yes, yes. Numeric, text, boolean, mapping, and sequence.
Okay. So where the numeric types are used?
Numeric, integer, float, complex, like this.
What are the use cases? Have you used those types for some specific use case, or some programming example where these types are used? The
Uh,
numeric ones, and what are the operations you performed on it?
so please repeat again.
Um, can, can you hear me now? Now better?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I was asking about numeric types, where all these are used, and
Numeric data types.
what are numeric types where, yes,
Integer, float,
a simple,
float,
where do
complex.
we use those?
Integer, float, complex.
Okay. Other than that, are you aware about the string types, right?
Yes.
So if I give you a question to count number of words in a sentence,
Yes.
there is a sentence, there are few words which are separated by spaces. So can you write a simple code to count those words?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
First.
here's a sentence. Here's a sentence I'll put in the chat box. You take that sentence and write a code to count the number of words in it.
Okay, sir.
You can try coding this and later paste the answer here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go on.
का 2 मिनिट? हे टाईप कुठं करू मी कोड?
अच्छा चॅट बॉक्स नाही दिसत का? नाही नाही चॅट बॉक्स कुठे दिसत टाईप करायला मला मी सापडलं काय काही नाही वगैरे
सर डन.
Okay, let me.
First we have taken a string, then we store length of string in result and then print result.
Okay, we'll do another exercise. Um, are you aware of lists? What are lists in Python?
Yes sir. List is a collection of
Uh,
heterogeneous.
yes.
List is a collection of heterogeneous data types like int, float, complex, etc.
Okay. Can you write a simple code to merge two different lists? Take two lists and then merge those.
Okay.
हे चेंज कर फक्त माझं आहे ना ते टेक्निकल कर माझं
Done sir.
Tuple and how these two are different.
List is a collection of collection of characters, collection of different heterogeneous data types like int, complex, float, and tuple means tuple is a immutable, List is a mutable. Uh, uh,
Okay.
both are ordered manner. List is enclosed by square brackets and tuple is enclosed by round brackets. Duplicate item in both duplicate items are allowed.
Okay. Good. So I'm pasting. I'm putting a simple line code in the chat. Can you tell me what can be the output of this code?
One, two, three, three, two, one. Value
Can you
of
type it in there? So here the curly braces were put in. So what type is that? If we put these numbers in curly braces,
set.
so do we have duplicates in set?
No, duplicate items are not allowed.
So what do you think if we give the print statement, what would happen? Any guess? Will there be duplicates in the output? Any guess?
No, duplicate items will be not in output.
Not there, no.
Yes.
So the output that you're like your answer. Do you think it will come or it will come like 1, 2, 3 only?
Yes, only one, two.
Okay, we can try it later. Yes. So are you aware about conditional statements and loops?
Oh, yes. Loop for
So
loop and
yeah,
while.
tell me about loop and a simple use case where loop can be used. A simple example where loop is necessary. Where do we use it? First, tell me about loops.
Loop is used for iterating a sequence. Means to execute a condition we use loop.
Okay. What can be other uses? How many loops are there? You told about for loop. Is there any other loop?
While loop.
While loop. Okay. Where for loop is used, where while loop is used, what can be the differences in those?
For loop and while loop is same. Uh,
Can we use for and while loop anywhere we want, or is there any functional difference between those?
in while loop we use counter. Means we increase counter. But in for loop we can't increase counter.
Or while loop is about any condition? So I'll tell you, when for loop is used, we know number of iterations. We know how many times. Say you want to print 5 numbers, so you will run for loop five times, right?
Yes.
But there can be some use cases where you don't know how many times to iterate the loop. So you use while loop where the condition is provided, right?
Yes.
Till the time the condition is met, the while loop will iterate. If the condition fails, we'll exit from the loop,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Are you aware of it? Have you practiced it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Based on that, can you tell me where break and continue statements are used in loops?
Yes. Break and continue are the loop control statements. Break is
Okay.
used to terminate a loop, and uh, continue is used to terminate a condition and continue with the next condition.
Okay. If we give any wrong condition, what will happen? Say if the condition will never fail, so what will happen?
We use past verb.
See,
Past.
in place of condition, I'm typing a code here, a simple one liner. I have a while loop to which there is a condition which is always true. What will happen in that loop?
It will execute at the last. Execute.
Or will it execute infinitely? Means whatever comes after this condition, will it go on executing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So while true if given, and if I print a statement after this, the loop will never end, right? It will continue. It will be a forever loop.
Yes.
Normally we don't use forever loops. Normally means we never practice such things. Otherwise the code will crash and system will run forever on. Okay.
Yes.
Do you know about else keyword? Is there an else keyword or else block in loops?
Yes, sir.
Where is it used? What is it used? Why do we use it? Or what it is?
Uh, I want to take one example, sir.
Yeah, please. That will be more helpful.
Yes. We take two numbers, A equals to 10 and B equals to 7. So we have to find who is the greater among them. So we use the if else condition. So if A is greater than B, then we print A is greater than B, and else A is not greater than B, like this.
Okay. Can you can you do that program? A simple program?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I was going to ask you to write another code, but now we are discussing. We'll continue with the same one, no?
Okay, sir.
You can take your time. Be comfortable.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, let me review. Yes, good. Absolutely. So again, with the loops, I have a last question. I want you to write a code. Do you know tables? Uh, I want to write a table of five
Okay.
from 5 till 50. Five ones are five, five twos are 10, like that.
Okay.
So use a for loop, write a table which should print from 5 to 50.
Okay.
After that, we'll move to another topic. You can take your time and tell me once you're done.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Let me have a review. Give me 2 minutes. Perfect, Harsh. So we'll move on to another topic. I want to know about functions. What are functions? Why do we use them? And what all things you know about functions?
Function is function is a block of code.
Okay. Yes, I can hear you.
It runs when you call.
Okay. Tell me all the things. I know you have done some programming on functions. You have done some programs on it. I just want to know what all the things we can do with functions.
Function is a block of code. It runs when you call.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Why do we use functions? Why don't we code directly one by one? What? Why do we use functions? Where do they put in to our help?
Hello, sir.
So my question was about why do we use functions? What are their uses? So I was asking, my question was in a direction, if we have a set of code that we want to repeatedly use. So right now you wrote a you have written a table of 5.
Yes.
So I want to write table of 5, 7, 10, or any number given. Can you put all your code into a function and make it reusable so that instead of hard coding number 5, we take number from the user and get the table of any number that we want?
Yes.
Yes. So my question was in a direction of code reusability or better readability, or if we want to make any changes into the functions or debugging, we can use that, right?
Yes.
So do you know what are built-in functions and what are user-defined functions?
Yes.
Please tell me about it.
Built-in functions like print, max, sum,
Okay.
sorted, reverse. This is the built-in functions,
Okay.
and user-defined functions are like uh,
We can take an example of a table function. Whatever code you've written, make it a function called table, right?
yes.
And pass an argument to it. So my next coding question comes in the similar fashion. Right now, you written a very good code about this. Write it as a function wherein the user will put in the number. Okay,
Okay.
or user will provide the number for which number he wants to print the table, and accordingly the table should come.
Okay.
Please try it.
Certain.
Okay. So while you code this, do you try and run this program on your end? How are you performing it?
No,
Are you only typing it in Notepad?
no, only typing, sir.
Okay. I expected to run it along, but anyways, do you have access or do you have software there to run it
Yes, sir.
in the system that you are using?
Yes, sir.
You can use that then. No
Okay,
problem.
okay, sir.
I feel that if code is good, it will work. There are little syntactical corrections we need to make. But anyway, you can try writing it. You'll get it by yourself.
Okay, sir.
I'm good with the answer. It will work. I want to know. I have few more questions on functions. Then. Do you know about recursion?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me. Yes.
Recursive function, it calls self-callable function.
Okay. Whenever the function is calling itself.
Yes, it is called recursive function.
Okay. And what is an argument? What is a parameter? Argument and parameters in function. You can take a note of it and later learn about it, Harshit.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next thing. I'm going to establish what has been given. Based on that, we will have some discussion. You know about operators, you know about
Yes, sir.
types. Do you know about file handling?
Yes, sir.
Have you practiced coding on it? You learnt it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have a couple of questions on file handling. Otherwise, I'm good.
But in file handling, so I have no in practice. Only I have learned that.
Okay. Well, go with theoretical questions. And later today itself, you practice some programs then.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tell me about some file handling questions, or tell me about open functions. Simple one.
Open function.
Mhm. Are Are you aware of read lines functions?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
tell me about that. If you are aware of any other functions, what learning you have done with files, you tell me about that. Go with the read if you are aware of it.
There are modes in file handling. Read,
Okay.
write,
Yes.
read, write, then write double, write X mode like read byte and write byte. These are the modes
Okay.
in file handling.
These modes are there in the open function.